Are you ready to sound more fluent in English? Let's talk about it. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm teacher Andre, your English teacher. In today's lesson, I will teach you the 5 quick, easy phrases that will make you sound more fluent in English. These phrases will change you from to instantly. So, if you want that change to happen, you have to keep on watching this video to the very end, okay? And if you are new, you are welcome. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button right now, and let's do it. Our first quick expression number 1 is on me. On me. Yeah, you use this expression to say, I will pay the bill. I will take responsibility of something. For example, if you go with some friends in a restaurant or in a pub and you order food or drinks, you can say, it's on me to say, I will pay the bill. I will take responsibility of the bill. Don't worry. Bill's on me. It's on me.
Listen, take these. And anytime you and Lindsay need a cut or a color, just please come to me. It's on the house. Thank you.
This is a quick and easy phrase that will make you sound like a native speaker instantly. So start using it right now. Don't always say, I will pay. Just say, it's on me. Next. Quick expression number 2 is, are you in? Or, you in? Be careful. This is not, are you in class? Are you in the house? No. This means, do you want to participate? Do you want to take part? For instance, this weekend with friends, we're going to play football. So I am asking you, are you in? It means, do you want to come with us? Do you want to join us? Do you want to participate?
I'll go if Andrew will be there. I'll find out. Jack? You in?
Nice expression, right? So start using it. Are you in? You in? To ask someone if they want to take part or participate in an event or something. Quick expression number 3 is using the possessive pronoun. What is the possessive pronoun? The possessive pronoun is used to tell that something or someone belongs to someone. If you want to sound more fluent in English, you have to pay attention to how native speakers use the possessive pronoun. For example, this bag belongs to John. A basic English learner will say, this is the bag of John. That's boring, right? But a native speaker will say, this is John's. Let's see some other examples.
Oh my gosh. This purse is I think it's Vivian's? That's not mine.
See, she didn't say, it is the purse of Vivian. She used the possessive. It's Vivian's.
I think it's Vivian's?
Is Crystal already in bed?
No, she's over at my dad's. I didn't feel
Yeah, instead of saying, she is at the house of my dad, she said, she's over my dad's.
She's over at my dad's. I didn't feel
Quick expression number 4 is stay put. To stay put means to remain in one position or to remain where you are, not to move for a certain period of time. So,
Here, let me help you. No. You stay put.
other examples, stay put and finish your homework before 8 p.m. We need to stay put until the rain stops. Please stay put. The doctor will be here soon. Finally, our expression number 5 is my go-to. My go-to. This refers to something that a person chooses first when they need something. It is their preferred choice. It is something that they rely on, something that is very helpful to them.
With me, but I'm a really good breakfast cook. Okay? Now I can't really cook anything else, but breakfast is my go-to.
Oh, yeah, she says breakfast is my go-to. So if you ask her to choose between cooking breakfast, a lunch, or even dinner, she would choose breakfast because breakfast is her preferred choice. This is what she knows how to cook the best. Let's practice. When I have a cold, my go-to remedy is hot tea with honey and lemon. This means hot tea with honey and lemon is my preferred remedy or my preferred solution when I have a cold. This is what helps me the most. This is very helpful to me. Now it's your turn. Once you learn a new word, practice how to use it. And for that, write a sentence with one of the expression you have learned, one or two if you want, in the comment section, and I will be so thrilled to read your sentences. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you later in the next one. Bye.
I told myself I'd never